Okay, the last one I'm going to show you is our final method, which is standard algorithm. It says up here at the top, and this is what we've been trying to get you guys prepped for. This is our final way of solving 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So let me show you. We're going to start by writing it vertically, which means up and down. Oops, not a plus, a multiplication. As if I was going to start adding, I'm going to start with my bottom number and I'm going to start with my ones place. I'm first going to say 7 times 3. And I know 7 times 3 is 21. I'm going to put my 1 here, but my 2 from my 21 is actually going to go up top like this. So now I move down to my next line because I multiplied by 7 by my 3. I need to multiply my 7 by my 4, but since the 4 is in the tens place, I'm going to go down below and I'm going to add a 0. Because we are no longer in the ones place, we are now in the tens place. So it's going to add a 0 to bump it up to make it so that it's in the tens place. Now I'm going to do 7 times 4. I know that 7 times 4 is 28, but I can't forget to add this plus 2 right here at the top. So I have 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 1, 2 is 30. So I'm going to put my 30 here, which actually brings me to 300. All right, now I'm ready for my second group of numbers, okay? I'm starting with my 6. I already did all of my 7s. So since I'm starting at the 6 and the 6 is in a tens place, I'm going to start with a 0, okay? 6 times 3. So we've done 7 times 3 and 7 times 40. Now we're doing 60 times 3, okay? 6 times 3 I know is 18. But since we added that 0 at the end, that made up for that being in the tens place. That made up for that being 60 times 3, okay? Now we are going to, once again, add our tens place because we're still in the 6. We're still in this tens place here. But since we've already multiplied by the 3, now we are multiplying by the 4, okay? However, that 4 is also in a tens place. So we need to make sure that we are putting the 6 that's in the tens place and the 4 that's in the tens place. So we're putting 2 zeros as those placeholders. 6 times 4 is 24. So now I have all my numbers lined up nice and neat. Again, if you want to rewrite them from biggest all the way down to the smallest, you absolutely can. However, since I wrote really slow and neatly, I know that these are lined up nice and neat, so I'm going to go ahead and solve it this way. If I follow my line all the way down, I just have a 1 that I can bring down. Same thing with this 8. 8 plus 0 is still just 8. Next, I have 3 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, I'm going to find some friendly numbers, and I know that 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to put 8 down, and my 2 plus nothing else is still just 2. And once again, I'm in Mrs. Stauffer's class, so I'm going to circle that. This is the standard method of solving double-digit multiplication by double-digit multiplication.